Hi, this is Jim Ave, the Masters of Arts in Kinesiology Program Director, and this video will teach you how to use the library resources from Fresno Pacific University. This has changed recently, and so I wanted to make sure that you have a video to teach you how to use our new electronic library resources. I'm in our Moodle training course, and all our Moodle training courses have a link to the library in the library resources link on the right hand side of every class. So if you click that link, it'll take you to the Hebert Library at Fresno Pacific University. Typically you're going to want to use the article search function, and so we'll type in weight training and see what happens when we click find it. You'll notice a few things when it's starting to do its search. It's starting to load. Right up here on the left hand side it says EBSCOhost humanitarian and religion. That's the database that it is using to search. For our area in kinesiology, we want to use the EBSCOhost Sciences, Health, and Psychology. So click on that and now switch the database for our search. I mean, you can use these other searches, but you can see it tells us how many hits we have. With the humanities and religion one, there's about 8,700. With the sciences one, we had about almost 37,000 hits. With the social sciences and business, we got almost a little over 21,000, pretty good. In education, we got, let's see if I can do the math there, 15,000, almost 16,000. JSTOR, which is I believe that's a legal area, then we got about 50,000. So you can take a look at those other databases. We want to limit our search by choosing full text because we want to be able to download the whole article. And peer-reviewed. Peer-reviewed means that other experts in their area have read the article and approved the article. All right. We still have almost 11,000 hits there, or over 11,000 hits. We have these different options here. We have age, the different age groups. We can narrow our search down by the subject matter. We can go, they have a thesaurus term, physical fitness, exercise, depending on what you're trying to search. You can go gender, male versus female, major heading. These are the headings within the different articles. Publication type, if we just wanted a specific type of journal. Let's try adding this feature works exactly like Google. So we'll go and teaching and see what kind of hits we get with that. Internet's running a little bit slow. No results. There we go. There we got some results. Again, we want full text. And we want peer-reviewed. And again, we can look at these other databases. Here we say we got a PDF article. Gives us a brief overview of what this article is, or a summary. I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. Then what's going to happen is it's going to ask me to log in. Now, if you don't know this information, which you may not because you don't have a university ID card, this is not the same login for Campus Cruiser or Moodle. So if you don't know that information, click the link at the bottom. It'll take you to this web page, and you'll type in your Campus Cruiser email right there and hit submit, and it'll send you an email to Campus Cruiser. it'll provide you a list of every account that you can log in, all your usernames and your passwords. After you get that information, you need to log in, type in your fun stuff, see if it'll work for me. Alright, so then brings me into the full article. You know, it's going to ask me to download because that's how I've set my my computer to do. Downloads it. And let's see, I'll get to my desktop so we can get the article. So then now we have that journal article. Actually have the actual article, and these are the type of things that we want to use in our research program, our original research. You can also do search textbooks. We go back here, it's called Encore. You can look at the catalog of everything that we have on our campus. But obviously, with an online program, you're going to want to do things that you can get full text for. But our library is here to help you, so you can get help from the librarians on campus. So again, this is a little bit change. Hopefully you can use this to help you find quality articles and quality sources for when you write papers in our graduate program. If you have any questions about this, you can always ask me, and I'll try to do my best to help you understand how to do this, use this.